Database foundations. Why is this important?
With databases, there's a lot of flexibility and options with regards to how you can build and query them. Because of this flexibility, you can build a database without following best practices or knowing much about how the database functions. This means that the database will work and function properly in the beginning while it is small and not heavily used. While the database is small, the issues with the structure and code will not manifest. However, as the database grows and becomes more used, the issues will manifest as high maintenance costs, long development times, poor opinions of the database system and tools, slow query performance, slow database issue resolutions and buggy systems, and in the worst case, total database failures. Since processes are often interconnected, a failure in one system will often result in taking down or causing delays in other systems. This can result in losses that can take down an entire company and definitely get the developer fired. Bad data flowing out of one system will cause problems in all downstream systems. Since in big organizations, work flows from person to person, a delay problem upstream will often result in problems for everyone. A team of weak developers often protects each other and causes confusion by placing blame, giving incorrect and misleading information, and being more likely to hire more weak developers. This will cause a worsening of the team's performance over time, increase the needs for overtime, and increase the overall stress levels as best practices are taught and propagated within the group. This is especially so since developers rarely take the time and try to make sure new hires' knowledge gaps are filled in and bring them up to speed. Poor developers from one company will refer those developers to other companies, and as they flow into your department, you will not identify their problems, and consequently you will be unable to fix the issues that are introduced because of their knowledge gaps. People flow between companies and work flows between people. If you continuously make mistakes, it will cause a loss of trust in your department, even if the problems are due to process complications or other inefficiencies. Other people won't know that. Building things with Microsoft database best practices in mind and having a team with strong foundations will reduce future workload, bugs, and development costs. Many issues will be avoided preemptively and the results will manifest themselves as company profits. These people will be quicker at bug resolutions, faster at development, hire and train stronger developers, future and present, and increase interest in the tool sets you know how to use. The benefits of a strong foundation carry forward. Oftentimes, developers with weak foundations never have those foundations fixed. They have a harder time getting jobs, cause more problems for other developers, cannot identify the causes or issues, are slower at building products, are slower at improving, and often place blame and make excuses for problems caused. However, also realize that the way that software and databases are designed may vary based on the circumstances, and deviations may be required under certain circumstances. So keep your eyes open and always ask yourself why. Not all deviations are due to knowledge gaps, and standards may change over time as new situations are encountered. This is why solutions like Hadoop, Teradata, and various other technologies were created. So learn more than you have to, study hard, and try even harder. Till next time.